Hi, everyone. We are going to keep improving your TOEIC score by looking at another difficult TOEIC question and finding out an easy way to get the answer. So, why are we waiting? Let's get started. Here is the question. Now, before we start eliminating answers, which we will do soon, let's look at two key vocabulary. The first is when it says recipe. You can see it says recipe alterations. So the pronunciation is recipe, and this is the ingredients and steps to make a certain dish. For example, my friend makes amazing Malaysian curry, but she won't tell me the recipe. She said the recipe is a family secret. Or when I make chocolate chip cookies, I usually follow the recipe on the bag. Now, common expression with recipe is a recipe for disaster. This means if you do this or if somebody does this, the result will be terrible. For example, living with your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend could be a recipe for disaster. So it could turn out very badly. The next term is alterations. So they said recipe alterations. An alteration is a small or minor change. And the common form is someone makes alterations to something. An example, she followed the recipe but didn't like the result. So the next time she made a few alterations and it was much better. So maybe she added more salt or she added some different spices. So in this question, you can see it says the compound noun recipe alterations, which is alterations to the recipe. So they changed the recipe a little bit. Now that we have the key vocabulary, let's start eliminating wrong answers. One key tip, always notice there is a preposition after the blank in TOEIC. As we can see in this question, after the blank, you have preposition. So let's simplify the TOEIC statement. Before blank out its product, the company did market research and made some changes. So that's the idea. Let's start eliminating two answers. First, eliminate A, releasing, and D, producing. Why? Well, as you can see, it says, but when we use release, we release or produce object. We do not release or produce out object. For example, the company will release its new phone next year. There is no preposition before its new phone. It is a direct object. The same is true with produce. When we have an active sentence, subject produces object, no preposition. If I say, I produce, you're going to say, what do you produce? What's the object? And I say, I produce medical products. Correct. But I'm still wondering what he means by medical products. But as you can see, subject produces object, subject releases object. No preposition. So because of out, we can eliminate produce and release. Now we have two choices, stood and roll. When you look at grammar and context, it is not very logical to use standing out. The first reason is stand out and not have a direct object. For example, if I said he stood out his skills, this is incorrect because skills is a direct object. He stood out because of his skills. That's fine. No direct object. Or his skills stood out. So before for this TOEIC question, it might be better to say before the new product stood out. So was different from the rest. But we're not going to say before standing out because we cannot have its new product after it. We cannot have an object. So the best answer is rolling. Roll out is to officially release or launch a new product. For example, the company or business rolls out product. The fast food restaurant will roll out a new chicken burger this week. Home Depot is expected to roll out a new line of lawn furniture. So for this TOEIC question, before rolling out its new product, so the idea is before the company rolled out its new product, the company did market research and made some changes. Therefore, the best answer is B, rolling. Okay, so this was one question. Now we know we need to be aware of the preposition after the blank, and we're also thinking about direct and indirect objects after verbs. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.